think this is appropriate for Friday, right? Here's crazy, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I'm just gonna share the stream a little bit. All right, boys. All right, let's get it. 5 minutes to the clock, 6 minutes to the clock. Start every analysis on the 4-hour bullish. That means counter trend is short. That's all I need to know. We got this liquidity that we're drawing into. We'll head down to the 1 hour and we'll find any fair value gaps that haven't been tagged into. And you already know this is a high probability setup going down in here. So targeting over here. But that's if you weren't trading my model. Right here, if you're trading my model, this isn't the draw. I mean, this is the draw for the price, but it isn't what I'm executing with. So it would have to be a drop down, and then like the immediate rebalance is my draw for my. That's the only reason I would go long. If there's no immediate rebalance or a bearish fair value gap here, I wouldn't be looking for a long after this gets filled. But if you aren't doing my strategy, this area is really good. Where's the drawing tool? Oh, I guess I could do this. Well, multiple highs here, so I'll continue just to talk about my strategy. But do I see any fair value gaps in here that needs to be filled? I see one right here. Could draw that out. All right. Besides this, see how this one, boom, need a rebalance in here, or like it filled this fair value gap. So this is not a draw. So need fair value gaps here. No. So yep, these are only 2 reference points. We also have this one deep. So we would like for the market to do this. I would like for the market to, let me check on 15. The market to go down here for 15 minutes, making the Judas swing for the day. And then we're going to make a move up. So that's what I would like to see in 3 minutes. Hopefully this 15-minute falls, gets a retail short right off of this high. Retail is thinking this is short right here, or this whole bearish order block, whatever you want to call it. But I think it's a short right here. But if in the hindsight that it does easily come and take us out here, This is a counter trend objective. Or the counter trend objective will be an immediate rebalance of this. That's a 30-minute. That's after. That's at 10. Or it'll be an immediate rebalance if this closes above. Immediate rebalance of this. But we don't want a counter trend. We are in the 150K account. We do have a $3,000 buffer, so we're trying to actually increase our size from 1,500 risk to 3,000. So we do not want a counter trend today. Market is going up crazy. So, even though it's TGIF, they say, oh shit, I wasn't even sharing. Okay. Well, anyways, 4 hours overwhelmingly bullish. We're spewing right into this high right here. Let's see what we do. And these are our short-term draws. 1 hour for value gap, 15-minute for value gaps. My back pain hasn't gotten better, guys. Even though no one's here, no one remembers. I love a cup of Joe right now. This fucking back, man. I do not wish a back pain on anyone. Back pain. Do not wish that on anyone. So look at that. We're expanding up into this. We're leaving this right here. So this is an immediate rebalance over here. Next candle can come in over here. Boom, and then go up. But that's not our strategy. We're looking actually like, let's say we take out this level, right? This liquidity. Then we will short into this. We're not looking for a way for it to immediately rebalance and it goes up. So now we move up here. We take some liquidity, we do the swing, and then we can look for this basically. So this ends up becoming a short-term draw. Let's see what the market does. Hopefully it doesn't come and take it. Well, I got close. Let me start going my top step. Now, this is risky right here. Yeah, I'm gonna do rejection blocks. I like IFVGs, I like fair value gaps, I like order blocks. That's about it. So we're gonna look for the market. Market already did its objective of taking out this level. We're right now in external liquidity times. I'll give you a good rule of thumb. So it should go up at least 90 pips above this to clear out all liquidity, let's say. So it should go to 330 around, yeah. What points, right? What is this? This is negative 90. Oh, negative 324. So say 324. So it should go around above here just to clear out all of the liquidity that is resting here. Because remember, people don't just put their stop right here. They put it over here, they put it over here, they put it up here. So they try and short this for a long run, And there's a lot of news saying like the bonds are like collapsing or they are collapsing. So it wouldn't surprise me that people are trying to short. And it wouldn't surprise me that we're due to swinging up just to maybe get a short TGIF short for the day. Oh man, my back this is maybe not the best favorable conditions. Like in pain, man. Might go and have to call the massage therapist real quick. So again, guys, we're looking for a short, but we are going to be reducing risk by 50%. Here it looks like we might confirm an order block. 50 cents or 50 seconds until. Yeah, not my favorite trade, so I'm not going to take it. See, maybe if like it closed below here, then you got the 50% of this, and then you take the 0.8. But it's like, this is not really, it's not confirming any P raise here. It's just wicked below this level. So, and it's actually doing some support and resistance, not things over here. So maybe this is getting that retail crowd into a long. Maybe they introduce another green. Maybe they take this out, and then we start going down. So this is right now. Well, I would be thinking retail would be trying to look for a bounce off of this level, right? But I don't know. So we're confirming this fair value or this order block. So maybe a little 50% action here. Still have a draw to down here. So maybe if it goes up here, we can take this. What is that, $50 risk? It's not bad. Sell one right here. All right, but just got out of a short, just got lost. First loss and the -8. Okay, so that's a daily draw. Okay, so yeah, that's my. Oh wait, I think that was. Oh wait, no, it didn't come and take this out. Okay. So yeah, it was still valid. It was a good. All right. What? Confirm this order block. It wasn't a bad sell. So make sure I don't want to think about like, just because it didn't work out, it was a bad sell. That doesn't mean it was a bad sell. It just means that it didn't work out. So I would say like this would be like an A right here and a sell setup, which isn't bad. I'm gonna take a picture of this real quick. Take a picture of this. Immediate rebalance was the bias. So I don't take another short position. I don't take another short position. I only take long positions now. So you might have to wait for a long. And how would we get a long? We'd have to wait for a 15-minute immediate rebalance back up, or a 1 hour immediate rebalance back up, or it fills a bearish, or there's an unfilled bearish fair value gap, something like that. All right, cool. Let's just go and start journaling this because I feel like the market is just on some slow shit today. It's on Neverland right now. Oh look, so it did what we were saying. It could do some retail bounce. There you go. Honestly, I'm gonna be very honest. It's not a bad play. Honestly, gonna give it an A because we took out liquidity. Look, this is a higher time frame liquidity, right? That's a higher time frame level. Oh shit. That's a higher time frame level, and we have a 15-minute unfilled fair value gap below it that we were targeting right here. It's a 15 minutes. So honestly, not a bad play. What we can see is a bearish order block getting formed right here, and then it's going to target that. But we're not taking any more shorts because we wasted our one short position. So that's it. It is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Sometimes you take losses. It's okay, guys. Honestly, gotta be okay with that. So look, this is my trade entry right here. So we have immediate rebalance on the 15-minute was our bias. 15 contracts, we counter trend, we shorted, we were excited about the play. We followed our plan. The grade was an A. Lower time frame PDRA was an order block. The PNL was minus 800, and boom, look at that. I can't show you guys, but let me get back to the charts. Fuck, man. My back hurts. I might call it on this day. It's Friday. Don't really want to go too crazy on Fridays. So look at that. Crazy. My back hurts, man. My back hurts, man. Okay, I'm done. Have a good day, guys.